Demystifying Idioms. Cutting down to size. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a popular idiom that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books: cutting down to size. It's a phrase that carries a lot of punch and meaning, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English communication. So, let's get started and unpack everything there is to know about this intriguing expression. The phrase, cutting down to size, is an idiom that means reducing someone's ego or pride, usually because they are being overly arrogant or think too highly of themselves. It's like telling someone that they're not as big, important, or impressive as they think they are. This can be done through words, actions, or experiences that make them realize their true position or abilities in a more humble way. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. Interestingly, the phrase, cutting down to size, likely comes from the world of tailoring or clothing manufacture, where fabric or materials are literally cut down to fit someone properly. Just like a tailor adjusts the material to fit the body accurately, metaphorically, someone's exaggerated self-perception is trimmed down to reflect reality more accurately. To truly master this idiom, let's look at some examples of how cutting down to size can be used in everyday conversations. The new manager was boasting about his previous successes, so the team had to cut him down to size by reminding him of the current challenges. She thought she was the best player on the team, but the coach cut her down to size by pointing out areas for improvement. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from professional settings to personal interactions, emphasizing the importance of humility and realism. When using the phrase, cutting down to size, it's important to be mindful of the context and the message you want to convey. While it can be useful in encouraging humility, it should be used respectfully and constructively to avoid hurting someone's feelings unnecessarily. Always consider the situation and the relationship you have with the person you're speaking to. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, cutting down to size. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of this phrase and how it can be used to express the idea of challenging someone's exaggerated self-perception. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to convey complex ideas in a few words. And idioms like this one are a perfect example. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!